Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. This is a short video. Just wanted to show you my work in progress. Kit from Diamond Dots, blue links. I purchased it from Diamond Dots website during their Cyber Monday or Black Friday sale. It was on 30% off. I'm not customizing this kit because it comes already with ABs and with special drills, so technically there is really no room for customization. I really love how it's turning out. I already forgot what it feels or how it feels to work with great quality resin drills. I enjoy diamond painting it. The drills are of a very high quality and the sparkle is just fantastic. Look at that. So I completed less than a half, and most likely it will be my last kit for this year. I wouldn't just have enough time to complete another kit after I'm done with the links. The next diamond painting that I wanted to show you is the snack-sized kit from Temu, a cross. I already cut it and I was about to frame it, but unfortunately the frame that I had was too small. The size on the canvas was 30 by 40 centimeters, but it looks like it was the canvas size, not the design size, and unfortunately I didn't measure it, so I couldn't fit it into the frame of 10 by 13 inches, just maybe an inch or less. Otherwise it covered some of the design, and I decided to wait for a bigger frame. So if I find something like this, I will frame it, but I really love how it turned out. The only thing that, again, AliExpress and Temu kits are not accurate when it comes to the sizes, so you always need to double check it. But I love how it turned out. Also came with crystal drills and with special drills, but I replaced the yellow crystal drills on the cross with metallic ones from Diamond Dots. I think that golden color, not crystal, right? Metallic golden would belong there more than the crystal drills. This is the second kit. The third kit is this cute gingerbread house stand. Technically, it is not diamond painted on the other side, only on one side, and it can be used just as a decor on a desk. And I'm sorry for the cracking sound. And I also think that maybe it could be used as electric candle holder or something like this. Like if you put the candle behind it, right? The electric candle, of course. It would look also pretty nice. It was really very hard to find a candle with batteries, so I put it behind. I turned off the flash, and that's how it looks. I think it looks pretty nice, right? Or maybe it would make sense to put two candles and move them next to the windows, and then it would look like a really very nice candle holder, right? In any case, my daughter completed it, and I really love how it looks. And the last completed kit is this really very cute fireplace. This is a napkin holder. It is diamond painted on both sides. Again, my daughter completed it for her teachers. But what I'm thinking is also like to use it as a candle holder. Let's try to put it here. Turn off the flash. Oh my god, that's really nice. So it can be actually both a candle holder and the napkin holder. The only thing that, as you can see, the candle that I'm using is pretty big. So if it is a tea light candle size, right, it would light the fireplace only, not the Christmas tree. So this is all I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon. Again, sorry for the cracking sound. Привет, меня зовут Наталья, добро пожаловать на мой канал Алмазная мозаика в США. Это коротенькое видео, просто хотела вас познакомить со своим текущим процессом, а также